Hello YouTube family, it's time to cook in our kitchen. And you know, like in the other video I showed you, we bought some meat, and I'm telling you, kind of meat is quite reasonable and fair compared to buying from the supermarket. You are better off going to AJ Green if you watch the other video. So here we have the chef. Hello chef.
Hi YouTube family.
That's our chef for today, and she's just sliced some onions here, and she sliced some okra. Oh, you're frying it?
Yeah.
Okay. So she's frying it, and she's also got some amataba cooking over there. These are sweet corn, or we call them in Zambia amataba, or maize cooking. We buy these from a Zimbabwean farmer here in the UK. It's called Mwanaka Farms. You can actually Google it, and then you can place an order and buy, and then they deliver to your doorstep. So anyway, Olga is making a meal here. This is our lunch. She's got some onions frying over there, and also you got some minced meat there. You spiced it up. What kind of spices did you put in there?
Coriander, curry, turmeric.
Yeah.
It's a mixture of all the spices.
All right.
Garam masala.
Okay. So now, what are we going to have this steak with?
With the Nshima.
Nshima?
Usual.
Okay.
Yeah.
It will go down with Nshima with okra. Yeah.
Some kale.
Oh, and some kale. This is some vegetable. It's like rape. Those who know kale, this is it here over there. So I believe this is going to go down very well. So the okra is nicely cooking, sizzling over there. So you see, Olga is very good at her cooking, and she's also good at one thing. Let me just show you. You see, she's got a green hand, and look, she's planted this plant here, and I'm sure, look at how it's crippled. It's crept all over the house. Look at that. She's done a marvelous job of planting this here in the house. It's an indoor. This plant, you can actually plant it indoor and outdoor. So it's crept all over this way. And it's really, really one of her hobbies, you know. She has an avocado tree growing in the corner over there. This is actually a snake plant. We're going to plant this on the farm just so that snakes can be, scared off. So these are all Olga's handiwork. Also, we got some visitors here, my grandchildren. Say hello, YouTube family.
Hello, YouTube family.
You have to look at them. Say hello, YouTube family.
Hello, YouTube family.
Amaya, say hello, YouTube family. Okay then.
Hello, YouTube family.
So those are the plants coming up, and also those are some of the things I got for her.
Yes. You want what? You want to color?
Oh, I took out that one from the pot. I just have to nibble it. Oh yes. Wow. It's proper, It's got a bit of salt in there. Very nice and soft. It reminds me of matava from back home in Zambia. Lovely. Lovely matava. Chibage. In Zimbabwe they call it chibage. Matava. Maize. It's very tasty, actually. It's nice and soft. I think that one is cooked, that one is done.
Nice.
How's it?
Nice. It's pop.
So what do you think about that sweet corn? Is it? It's okay.
Nice, yeah.
Okay.
Last night I had a grind.
So those are ready. Oh, they're steamy. Look at that. Those are ready to be nyapura. Honestly, this maize, it just tastes like a Zambian maize. It's very, very nice. And you know, when you put a pinch of salt in there, it just makes it just, you know, taste even better. The okra is coming up. And the minced meat, all nice and spiced up.
You want one of them? Ask now what to give you.
Okra is ready. Oh my God, you're chucking it on the floor. That's not good. All right, so the meat is going in, yeah? The nyama. Okay. Steak. It's steak. So, what spice did you put on the
I just put salt and pepper.
salt and pepper? Okay.
Yes, Samaya?
Oh, this is coming up. Look at that. Oh, this is delicious. Okay, then. Oh, look at that. Let's have a taste of this, please.
I can't hear it. I can't hear it.
Let's have a taste. Let's have a taste. Oh my God. Wow. It's juicy, nice and soft. And also, you know, when you put just black pepper and salt, the taste is slightly different when you overspice. It will go down with the Nshima.
Yeah, your mama.
Hi, Mama. I've got these toys. I've got toys. I got new toys. Mama!
Wait, let me
Mama!
turn let me turn off the kettle first.
Like we're cooking the Nshima now in this very big pot because we got the other kids coming to come and join us for lunch. Whenever they come, they'll find some food. Now this is the wunga, the maize meal for cooking the Nshima. You know?
That's your coffee.
We're gonna sample, this one is a chuck piece of meat. Wow. Nice. Nice and juicy. Time to ponder the Nshima. Put a bit of this, few scoops of this, and then ponder it. Make sure fine. I think. Okay, just a little bit more. I don't want it very hard, just nice and soft. We're gonna ponder it now. I think I need just a little bit more. Let's see how fine it's gonna be now. Okay, I think this is good enough. I can work with this. Yeah, this is it. I don't need any more.
What was Grandpa doing?
I'm cooking pop, Maya.
Cooking the pop.
You want to eat pop? I'm cooking pop now. Grandpa's cooking for you, pop.
Mommy.
Yeah, pop
And
for
for
you.
my brother.
Yeah, and for Yusuf as well.
Um,
Right, it's time to dish up the Nshima, and this is the way it's done.
that's not Sima.
When dishing up Amaya, you talk too much. Grandpa's recording here now.
You can't diss up Maya.
Yeah, Maya, keep quiet. Grandpa's dishing up.
You diss up Maya.
Grandma's dishing up, so shush.
Nshima is Papa Maya.
Nshima. You like Nshima?
It's the Zambian name, we call it Nshima.
So, guys, from wherever you're watching from, this is how it is done. Some of you already know how it's done, so this is how it is in Nshima, and it's ready now to be consumed, or rather nyapurat. Right, it's time to wash the hands. The grandkids are washing their hands, and they'll be eating the pap in a minute. So what we have here is a bit of steaks, Nshima, some okra, and some cabbage. What else do we have? Do we have any gravy?
Mince.
Oh, mince. All right.
And
Right, and we also got some
like
mince.
Veg.
Okay, there you go. And that is Yusuf is having his lunch.
Okay.
Then you got little Amaya there, and it's time to nyapura. Dish up.
okra, Yusuf?
Yes, I'll just use my hands.
Amaya, some okra.
I'll just use my hands, and also I'll have a bit of that steak over
I'll
there,
give you some of this fish.
and also I'll fetch some mince meat as well.
I'll show them my thing.
Okay.
Show them his plate.
Oh, that looks lovely, isn't it?
Yes, fish obviously is allowed.
Also, I'm gonna get some of this.
Fish you can eat.
So that's what it looks like, guys.
Or fish. Okay.
So let's taste that mince meat. It's a bit hot.
Make sure there's no bones inside. Yusuf, you have another piece of fish.
It's lovely.
Yeah. I see the ribs.
So guys,
The long ribs.
I don't know where you're watching from, but I hope I haven't caused you to salivate.
The bones.
It's time to have lunch, and enjoy your lunch, whatever you're eating, wherever you are.
Bones are not there.
Love
And I'll see you in the next video. God bless you. Bye-bye.